project English for specific purpose. And my lecturer, Mr. Karta Atmadja. Hello, Mr. Karta Atmadja. First, let me introduce myself. My name is Sarti Utami. My friends and I would like to tell you how to make lychee and almond pudding. Enjoy the video!
Hi guys, my name is Sanya Marani Putnadini. Today I want to tell you the utensils that we need. They are saucepan, stove portable, pudding mold, knife, strainer, bowl whisk, and cutting board.
Hello guys, my name is Kasuges Diningrum. The ingredients we are need 150 milliliters evaporate milk, 850 milliliters soybean milk, 6 grams jelly powder, 3 grams sugar, 1 drop almond essence, as needed lychee syrup, as needed salt, as needed roast almond and pear for garnish, and 3 pieces pandan leaf.
Hello, my name is Miza. I want to tell you about how to make lychee and almond pudding. Now let's start for the cooking. First of all, put all ingredients to the saucepan. Carnation milk, sugar, jelly, and lychee essence. Lychee syrup, and salt. After that, boiling in medium heat and add pandan leaf mixing. Waiting until boiling. After boil, strain and pour in measuring jar. And then mold in mold pudding. Finally, keep in the chiller.
Hello guys, my name is Galing Anarki.
My name is Raman Sagang Nigandara.
I will explain about the garnish of pudding. I will take the pudding from the chiller. Let's go.
Pudding is already set. Let's go.
After the pudding is set, you can remove from the chiller, and for good looking, you can add some garnish.
You can use almond chop, pandan leaf, and pear cut into wedges. Finally, you pour liquid lychee to the pudding.
And this is the simple garnish for lychee and almond pudding.
Hello guys, my name is Muhammad Faisal Sulistyo and this is it, Lychee and almond pudding. Thank you for watching these videos. Please like, comment and subscribe this video. See you.